Hello, my name is Damaris Sofia Salgado Sanchez, bucket list presentation. I had already been to Valle de Angeles. I had already seen the Talwa case. I had already eaten albaleada. It is the beach spot. I had already been to the beach. I had already visited a park. I had already drunk hot coffee. I had already gone to the mall. I had already taken a taxi. I had not been to Roatan yet. I had not seen Copa Ruinas yet. It is the most famous place. I had not climbed a mountain yet. I had not seen a big waterfall yet. I had not flown in a plane yet. I had not swum in a river yet. I had not gone to a concert yet. It is louder than TV. Thank you very much.